Okay, let me train us. Green which is okay.
Okay. Okay.
नानी जा रहा हूँ. Yes, Emma. So we will begin. Hope you can hear me. Yes. So we were talking about natural resources, and the resource that we talked about in the last class was soil. We saw what is soil, what are the different layers of soil that are there. Then we saw what are the types of soil. Okay. Then we saw about the capacity of soil to hold moisture, to retain moisture. Okay. Now, we saw soil erosion. Okay. Soil pollution. We know land and soil are useful to us. Soil forms the basis of life. Due to some activities, soil is getting poisonous. It also decreases its production capacity. This is soil pollution. When the soil becomes polluted or poisonous, which decreases the production that can take place, which decreases its capacity to grow plants or crops, that is known as soil pollution. Any element that mixes with it and decreases the production capacity, makes the soil polluted. This is soil pollution because it reduces the capacity of soil and makes it poisonous. Let's take a look at what are some of the materials which, when mixed with water, causes soil pollution. The first one is the use of insecticides. What are insecticides? The materials that are there to kill the insects. Okay, the chemicals and all that are used to kill the insects. Then, mixing waste materials of industries in soil. When we take the waste that comes out of, you can say, industries, and when it gets mixed with the soil, it pollutes it. Then, mixing dirty water and garbage from our homes in soil. When we mix the dirty water and garbage from our homes into the soil, it also causes soil pollution. Open toilets. Because this is because it is not like it is in an open area. Okay, and when human excreta is not disposed of properly, it may also cause pollution, soil pollution. Coal and petroleum, okay, and coal, when all of this is used, when all of it is burnt, it causes soil pollution because soil tries to absorb them and it causes pollution. Many states have banned polythene bags. Measures should be taken to free soil from chemicals. Regular plantation should be encouraged to stop the process of soil erosion and secure the layers of soil. Now, what happened is that many states banned polythene bags. Why? Can you tell me, Emma? Why are polythene bags banned in many states? It is because plastic is non biodegradable, means that plastic cannot um, decompose. Okay, plastic cannot decompose, it is non biodegradable. Measures should be taken to free soil from chemicals. Regular plantation should be encouraged to stop the process of soil erosion and secure the layers of soil. So, regular plantation means that regular planting of trees should be encouraged so that it is a preventive measure against soil erosion, because when trees go into the soil, they hold the soil, their roots hold the soil, which prevents the soil from being carried away with the winds. Okay. Hello, Abraham. Good morning. In text questions 19.4.
Ma'am,
Yes, Abraham.
ma'am, I'm sorry, ma'am, I'm late, ma'am. I had an internet issue.
Okay. It's okay, Abraham. Whenever this happens now, Abraham, you can just drop me a text, okay? That, ma'am, I'm having an internet issue trying to connect, okay? Or something like that. You can drop me a text,
Okay, ma'am.
okay? Okay. Dark color soil,
Yes, ma'am, can you just repeat?
yes. I'm saying dark color soil.
Ma'am, may I go to the washroom, ma'am?
Yes, Abraham, okay.
Ma'am, thank you.
Amma, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. I can answer.
Yes, Emma. Dark color soil.
I'm so for dark color soil. Let me just see 1 second.
Yeah.
Ma'am, dark color will be top layer.
Top layer.
Dense and small particles. I think some no, so ceramic soil, toy making soil, uh, uh,
Sand soil is having big particles. Loam soil is,
I think big soil will be sand soil, but then I don't know what toy making. How will toy making soil be loamy soil?
I think toy making soil is ceramic soil. Yeah. Toy making soil is ceramic soil. We did this. Sand soil has big particles. Loam soil has small particles. Okay. Loam soil, dense and small particles.
Ma'am, toy making soil, ma'am, I think it's sand.
Ceramic. You think it's sand soil?
Toy making soil.
Okay. I think it is ceramic soil. Okay. See, look here. You are having sand soil, big particles. Okay. So mark sand soil and big particles. Okay. Then you are having loam soil. Loam soil which has small particles. Okay. So loam soil, dense and small particles. Top layer is dark color. Okay. Because humus is there. Okay. And it is dark color. And toy making soil is ceramic soil. Okay. Because if you've seen ceramic pots and ceramic toys and all, right? The soil that is used for that is known as ceramic soil. Okay. Ceramic, have you seen ceramic? Like, do you know what is ceramic items?
Yeah, mama, I know what ceramic items are.
Okay. Abraham, have you seen ceramic items?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it's basically a plate, right?
It's basically
A glass plate is another word is the ceramic plate or a cup.
plates and cup come of ceramic. Yes, it is a little different from glass. Okay. Little different from glass, but yes. Plates, glass, and all. And
Ma'am, it's
also,
not transparent, right?
no, it is not transparent. Okay. It is not transparent. Mineral elements. Some physical resources like iron, manganese, limestone, zinc, etc. are also found in our nature. Okay, so all of these are mineral elements. These elements are useful in our life. They are called mineral elements. Some mineral elements are found by the decomposition of animals and plants for lakhs of years. 1 second. Okay. So, these mineral elements are formed by the decomposition of animals and plants for lakhs of years. That is, when animals and plants they die, their this thing you can say their body, okay, on that layers and layers of soil starts to accumulate, and they decompose under the pressure, okay, under the pressure and the weather conditions, and they take the form of minerals, okay, and they take the form of minerals. Some mineral, these are called fossil fuels, okay. When they take this form of minerals, we call them fossil fuels. For example, coal and petroleum, okay, coal and petroleum. You have learned about them as fuel in chapter 10 heat, okay, but we'll also study about coal and petroleum in this chapter. Now, when the plants and animals die in this process, I've explained to you how fossil fuels form. Then their body decomposes and layers of soil starts to set on top of it. Now, due to this pressure, due to the atmospheric pressure and the weather conditions, they become fossil fuels. Okay, in so many years it takes. Okay, lakhs of years, thousands and thousands and lakhs of years it takes, and then they take the form of fossil fuels. Okay. Now, let's talk about coal. Coal is used as a fuel in preparation of food in our homes. This is also used as a fuel to produce electricity. Coal is also used in industries. Coal tar and coal gas are formed from coal. Now, there are some of the things that are formed from coal, okay, that we'll talk about. Coke. This is the purest form of carbon. The other forms of carbon are known to you, like diamond, graphites, etc. Okay. Abraham, remember yesterday I was teaching you about the forms of carbon. Okay, and we talked about coke.
Yes,
Yeah. Yes. So coke is basically a type of the purest form of carbon. Yes, Abraham.
ma'am. And ma'am, then why do people still drink Coke?
Um, why do people still drink coke? I think this coke is different from that coke, the soft drink. Let me just see, and if I can show you an image of coke carbon. Yeah, this is different. Okay, it is different from your usual, like your soft drink. Okay, but it is a carbon that is derived from coal. Okay, and we were talking about distillation, right? Destructive distillation process through which it is derived from carbon. Okay. Let me share you an image of black carbon coke. You can see them. Have you got it? This is basically the purest form of carbon. Now, other forms of carbon like diamond and graphite we know. Okay. Coal is tight and strong and is of black color, which is used for extracting metals, especially in steel industries. Okay. Also used to extract metals in steel industries. Then comes coal gas. Coal gas is another product of coal, which is formed by as a byproduct of purifying coal. What is a byproduct? When you are making a product out of something and there is something that comes extra, okay, there is something that is formed in that process. You're not actually making that thing, but you're making something else, and in that process, only some other thing is formed. That other thing that is formed in the process is known as byproduct. Okay, that other thing that is formed in the process is called byproduct. So when you are purifying the coal now, there is one more thing that is formed in this process only, known as coal gas. Okay, and coal gas is used as a fuel in nearby established industries. Okay, or in like many industries they use coal gas. Okay, which is a byproduct of in the process of purifying coal. Then comes coal tar. This is a thick, black colored, and bad odored liquid. This was earlier used to make roads. Okay, like earlier used to make roads using coal tar. Okay, it has a bad odor. It is thick and black colored. It is also used in many industries like the plastic industry, explosives, paints, photographic material, and naphthalene balls. Okay, you know what are naphthalene balls? White color, round white color balls, which have a very strong smell that we put to keep the insects and rats away in our clothes and in the almirahs and wardrobes, beds also. Naphthalene balls. Okay, so in all of these industries, coal tar is used. Okay, I'll show you a coal tar. I'll show you the image of coal tar. Check this out. So this is coal tar. Okay, how it looks like.
And that looks so yucky.
Yeah, that looks so yucky, and it has a bad smell also. Okay, now the next fuel that we have is petroleum. We get many useful products in petroleum refining. Now, similarly, like we refine coal, we also refine petroleum. So, a lot of things are formed when refining petroleum. Okay, see, petroleum is also refined at various stages, and when it gets through various stages, um, various things are also formed in the form of a byproduct. In the form of a byproduct, okay, such as diesel, petrol, kerosene, paraffin wax, and all. Okay, when we are refining petroleum, we all of these things are formed as a byproduct. Diesel, petrol, kerosene, paraffin wax. These are used in many industries. This oil is found in India in the basins of Godavari and Krishna River, Bombay High, Mumbai, Gujarat, and Assam. Okay, um, petroleum is found in the basins, means all these rivers of Godavari, Krishna, Bombay, Mumbai, Gujarat, and Assam. Okay, this is the petroleum reserves where petroleum is stored. If you can see the tanks, this is where natural gas is stored. Okay, now I will try to find the video today I'll try to find a video today to show y'all that, to show y'all how this thing, petroleum is refined and the byproducts are formed, and how coal is refined. Okay, the process. Natural gas. Natural gas is found in between many layers of coal and petroleum. It is stored as CNG under high pressure. Okay, natural gas is under high pressure. It is stored in the form of CNG, compressed natural gas. CNG full form is compressed natural gas. This is an important source of energy and is taken from one place to another with the help of pipes. CNG, we use it in vehicles also. If you've heard that car is CNG, okay, means that car will run by the power of compressed natural gas, CNG. Okay, this is a less polluting fuel. CNG is less polluting compared to petrol and diesel. This means CNG produces less pollution. There are many sources of natural gas in our country. Many sources of natural gas. Now, it is natural in India. Natural gas is found in Rajasthan, Tripura, Maharashtra, and Godavari Krishna Delta. Okay, these are all the places where natural gas is found in Rajasthan. Okay. Conservation of limited resources. Natural resources like coal, petroleum, and natural gas are available in a fixed amount in nature. Okay, because they are limited. Limited resources. What are limited resources? Those resources which once we use will end. Okay, which once we use, they will end if we use them completely, which can be used and exhausted completely. Those are limited resources. Unlimited resources are the ones which we can keep using, keep using, and it will not end. Okay, those are unlimited resources, such as sunlight. Okay, sunlight or air, things like that are unlimited resources which will not get depleted. But resources like coal, petroleum, water, these are limited resources. These will end at a point of time. These may end at a point of time if we use all of it. Okay, so that is why it is very important for us to use them judicially, means make like do not waste them and use them very wisely. The fossil fuels are formed after lakhs of years. The fossil fuels, if we see, are formed after lakhs of years. Therefore, it is necessary to use them judicially. Burning of coal and petroleum as fuel can cause air pollution. These are limited resources which can only last for 100 years. Okay, coal and petroleum are very limited in nature. Burning of fossil fuels produce carbon dioxide, which increases the temperature of the earth. They causes a pollution. Burning of them produces CO2, so they shouldn't be used too much. Okay. Also, this is another reason why we should limit the use of these fuels. Okay. Okay. With this, we have finished with the lesson. Any doubt in any part till now? No? Okay. Okay, so 5 minutes break for you. And tomorrow is a holiday. Friday I will take your projects. Okay. Friday I will take your projects. Monday we will finish the exercise of this lesson. Okay. Okay. Abraham and Emma, you all can go for a break and come back. Okay, let's begin. Hello, Yashua. Good morning.
Hello, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Morning. Let me share the whiteboard with you. Abraham and Emma, hope you all are back.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Turn on your videos, please. Okay. So today we will do the construction of what angles did I tell you? Till now we covered 60, 120. Then I taught you 30. I taught you 105. I taught you 150. Okay. Did I teach you? One second, let me check in your book what other angles are there. Okay. All of that I will teach. One second. Are you all preparing for chapter 9 test? Last week I told you that this Friday I will take a test, 9th chapter. Just give me a second. Okay. So sorry. I'm back. Now, one second. Okay. Did I teach? Okay, I taught you 110, 150. Did I teach you 40-degree and 70-degree angles? No, right? We will learn that today. Okay. We will learn 40-degree, we will learn 70-degree. And test, will you be giving it on Friday? Simple interest, like 9.1 to 9.3. Shall I keep it this Friday?
Ma'am, can you just repeat, ma'am?
I am saying that shall I keep the 9.1 to 9.3 test this Friday like it was planned?
Ma'am, this Friday we are doing the presentation, no?
I'll keep the test next week, Tuesday. Okay? I'll keep the test next week, Tuesday.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Ma'am, just a moment, ma'am.
Yes, Joshua. Make a line segment AB.
Ma'am,
Yes, Joshua.
next Tuesday I will not be able to take the test. I won't be off next Tuesday, like I wasn't yesterday.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Wednesday.
Okay, ma'am.
Next week, Wednesday, I'll take your test. Okay.
Sure, ma'am.
Draw a line segment AB. Okay. Then make an arc semicircle. Make a semicircle. Make 60. Make 60 degree.
Ma'am, I made mine a little too close to the edge of the book. I'll do it again, ma'am. Ma'am, you're muted.
Okay. So sorry. Okay, I was muted. Okay. Yeah, I was telling you that Joshua, move it to the center because this one now will go in this direction totally. This angle. So redo it and make it in the center. And always make all the angles in the center. Okay, why am I making it on the side? Because I'm writing the steps of construction. Okay, you people, you make it in the center of the paper, and then below that you write steps of construction, put the heading, put one, and write steps of construction. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, because some angles will go totally in your right direction, some angles will go totally in left direction, so you have to make construct it in the center so that wherever it goes you have space to make it. This one is a little confusing, not too much, just very little bit. Tell me, are you all done till 60?
Yes, ma'am, done.
Done. Okay. Now mark the points. Mark the points O, mark the point C. Okay. And take point C and cut an arc towards the right side. Okay. Take
Ma'am,
points. Yes, Shashwa.
do we mark the points like with a pen?
With a pen, you can mark it with pencil, Joshua. Put a nice dot there and write with pencil.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. From 60-degree point, mark one at the top. Okay. Mark an arc. And also, guys, one thing I forgot to tell you. The 60-degree, make it long. Make this arc long like this. Sorry. Like this. Okay. And from 60 only, you cut an arc which will cut this arc itself. From C, you make an arc which will cut this arc like this. Understanding or no? You extend the 60-degree arc a little more. From the point which you marked C, which is your 60-degree, you cut the 60-degree arc itself on the other side, like ahead, a little ahead. Getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah? Okay. Now mark this point D. What next you have to do now? Also make this arc also very long, okay? This D line that we just made using the 60-degree, using the C point, make it also long. Okay? Like this. Now from this D point, cut again this arc only at the top. From this D point that we just made, cut the same arc at the top. Where? Here. Okay? Here. Do it.
Done, ma'am.
Done. Done till here. Mark it E points. Mark it E. Now using this E and D, you will make a 40-degree. Okay. See. Use D and cut an arc here. Use E, cut an arc here. Okay. Use D points and cut an arc at the top right. Use E and cut that arc. Okay. So this is 40-degree. This is actually 40-degree. Okay. Now mark it point P or any name. With any alphabet you can mark it. Join PA or AP. I will join it here like this. 1 second. Like this. Okay. Mine is a little slant because I'm not measuring and drawing it. You people measure and draw it. Okay. You people measure and draw it. But it will look like this. Understood? Understood or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Show me. I want to see your arcs.
Ma'am,
Yes, Yashwa.
you had said the point from A to P. You had said that point will be a little slant, but it's already slant.
Okay, show me, Joshua. Show me.
It's a little messy.
Remove your filter and show. Okay, Abraham can. Abraham, have you joined? Move it to a little side, Abraham. Okay, Joshua's I can see. Okay, Joshua. Looks good, Joshua. Yeah. Abraham, you have not made P point yet, na? Make P, Abraham. Rest is good. Abraham, rest is good. Okay, using E and D, you make P. Okay. Use E point and D point and make P. Cut two arcs. Join this P point with A. Hello, Emma. Are you there? Can you show me your construction?
Sorry, ma'am. I left the mic on, ma'am.
It's fine. Okay. Now shall I dictate you the steps of construction? Can you write, or do you want me to write it on the screen for you?
No, ma'am, you can write.
You can write it. Okay, I will write also. I'll dictate also. So you can write. Emma, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Show me your construction, Emma.
Ma'am, somewhat 40.
Somewhat 40. That means your compass opened a little bit. A little bit. Shifted, like the radii shifted. But it's okay. Almost 40 or somewhat 40 is very good for the first attempt. Okay. Even if you're getting 39 degree or 41 degree, na, very good. Okay. Because when you practice this, you will get 40. Okay. For the first attempt, this is one of the hardest angles to draw with a compass. Okay. And even if you're getting 39 or 41, fine. Okay. You will get 40 next time. All right. Check out this video. Check out this video, which is showing you 40-degree construction. Okay.
Ma'am, somewhat 40 here also. Almost 40.
Almost 40. Good. Very good. Yes. Emma,
Yes, ma'am.
you haven't shown your angle. I wanted to see, Emma.
Yeah, 1 second, ma'am.
Yeah.
Give me 1 second.
Okay. Till then, we will check this out.
Give your home a festive makeover with Indigo Interior Sheen Emulsion.
Construct an angle of 40 degrees. In this video, we will learn how to construct an angle of 40 degrees. To do so, take a ruler and draw a horizontal line, and label the endpoints as A and B. After this, take a compass and using point A as a center, draw an arc as shown. Using this intersection point as a center, cut an arc as shown. Next, without changing the length of the compass, and by using this intersection point, cut another arc as shown. After this, by placing a compass on this point, cut the arc on the previous arc as shown. At last, using these 2 points as a center, cut the arcs as shown. In the end, draw a line passing through this intersection point from endpoint A of the line segment. This will be the required 40-degree angle. You can confirm it by using a protractor. I hope you have understood how to construct an angle of 40 degrees.
Okay. Got it? Got 40 degree? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We will write the steps of construction. Draw line segments AB. With A as center, construct a semicircle arc. Cutting AB at O. With O as center, construct 60-degree angle. In it, C. Put your compass on C or with C as center. Construct another arc, cutting the previous arc at D. Hope you're understanding all the steps according to what we made. Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
write it down, please. Finish it.
Ma'am, I'm done writing.
Done writing. Okay. Emma? Emma, are you there? Are you writing?
Yes, ma'am, I'm writing.
Okay. so that your steps do not get mixed up. Which was the hardest angle till now? Irfan?
Ma'am, this one.
This one, right?
This one, ma'am.
This
This one, ma'am.
This one is the trickiest one. So much to do from here. The same arc only they are cutting, but this is only how you reach 40 degree. And you have it in your book, 40 degree. Friday, I will do 70 with you. Okay. Next week, Wednesday, I'll take your test of the 9th chapter. 9 point, this thing, 9 points.
Tomorrow no classes there, ma'am.
No, tomorrow no classes there. I have already put a message in the group.
Ma'am,
Yes, Reshma.
you had said the classes on the test is on Wednesday, ma'am.
Yes. Are you there on Wednesday, Reshma?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So that is why test next week, Wednesday, is there. Tomorrow no classes because I'm out tomorrow. Okay. Tomorrow no classes. We will meet Friday. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Fine with me.
Done writing. Done writing, Joshua?
Almost done, ma'am.
Almost. Abraham, 10:30. I'll text you, Abraham, actually, okay, about your extra class. Let me text you or I'll give you a call. Okay?
Okay.
I think I have some guests coming over and I do not know when they'll come. So I will give you a call, Abraham. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Done, Joshua?
I just have to do 7
Okay.
points, ma'am.
All right.
Done, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, then I'll see you all Friday. Bye. Have a good day.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, Abraham. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, Joshua. Bye, Emma.